What it do, guys? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about delayed gratification. I've talked about this. I know I live by this. I think a lot of people should take the time out and learn more about this, especially in today's time. I can't stress this enough to everybody I know, friends and family, yada yada. Delayed gratification can literally be one of the best things that you can learn in life. I know a lot of people tell you to go out and learn trigonometry, accounting, grab an LLC, wake up at 4:13 in the morning, go for a jog, learn how to be dedicated. No, that's great, but you have to learn delayed gratification. And I'm going to tell you why I think delayed gratification is one of the number one skills that you should learn, because it really will make you rich. Like, abnormally rich. Let's get into today's video. If you haven't subscribed, why not? Do it, please. Thank you. You rock. Like I know you didn't do it. Like, okay, like, thanks, but thank you. But we're talking delayed gratification, guys. Why is delayed gratification one of the top skills I personally feel like people should learn? And how would it lead you to the bag? Like, the bag. It's one of the most simplest things and probably one of the best ways to actually generate wealth. But it's also something that's catastrophically hard to do. Like, if you can do this, the money is there, like, hands down. Like, the money is there. But what do I mean by the money is there, right? Delayed gratification is pretty much learning how to put off something, whether it's a big purchase, whether it's something that will give you that dopamine of excitement. It's the process of delaying it. And why is that like such a skill that I personally think you should learn, especially if you want to learn how to grow your wealth, like grow your money, like actually be wealthy. Like, you want to know like why that's serious. So many people are going through life. Really, everybody's going through life. Crazy. But so many people are pretty much living their life and they're trying to figure out what it is they want, how to get it. And then when they see how they can get it, they realize it requires a lot of work. And they make their commitment, some, not all, but when they make their commitment, for those who do, they get into what I like to call grind mode. And when you get into grind mode leads you to working. And what does working consistently start to give you? Truthfully, less personal time, tired, irritable, less friends, and face it, like it kind of like separates you from people because you're so concerned with getting the bag. Like, when you're actually working, you're not going to do a 12-hour shift and then come off work just to go, stand in like an hour line to get into the club. Come on now. Why would I want to do that? But on the weekend, that'll be different. Why? Because you're off work. You worked all week. It's the weekend. I stand in that line. I hit that movie. I go to that event, right? Because it's the weekend. This is your time to blow off steam because Monday is coming right around the corner. And that's when most people tend to spend a lot of their money, would normally be weekends. And pretty much, not even just weekends, pretty much when you're out and about. Because you'll see something, you'll want something, you think, hey, I've been working, I got some money saved up, why not treat myself? And instead of some people treating themselves one time and then not treating themselves again for a decent amount of time so they can really save, some people treat themselves and then treat themselves and then treat themselves and then treat themselves. And then they look up and like, wow, it's Tuesday and I'm out of money because you didn't treat yourself so much. And there's nothing wrong with giving yourself nice things. There's nothing wrong with treating yourself, but to treat yourself on a regular basis, like it's not even an award at that point because you get the reward all the time. So it's like, hey, for instance, like you train your dog, you give him a treat when he do something good. Well, let's just say every day you just gave him a treat. He wouldn't know if he's doing something good or not because he just know, hey, you normally give me a treat every day. So it's not really a treat anymore. It's just something that's become a normal thing for you. And that's why delayed gratification is a skill I personally think can change the game. So when you're trying to learn, and especially learning to actually budget, because so many people budget mad wrong, like mad wrong. When you're budgeting, you normally leave yourself, you know what I'm saying, a little something. A little slice of the pie. Let's say $50, $75. Nice. But when you tend to treat yourself so many times, that $75 tends to not be enough. And that's where a lot of people nowadays are just literally saying these jobs are not paying enough. Now, is inflation the thing? Yes. Is the price of stuff increasing the thing? Yes. Can you survive off $2,000 a month? Yes. Now, if you have a lot of kids, that's a whole different scenario. You gotta do better. Sorry. It be like that. But like single person, regular person, you making $2,000 a month is livable, depending on your state. New Yorkers, again, y'all gotta try harder. Californians too, y'all gotta try harder, bro. Like, get a better one. But a typical job is doable. But so many people nowadays feel like it's really not. I feel like it's not because, again, they don't properly budget because they haven't learned delayed gratification. So we're talking delayed gratification, and me, I want to give you guys an example of delayed gratification in terms of myself, right? Because I'm an ordinary guy again. I have impulse buys. Not like impulse. I learned how to stop doing it, but I'm saying I have urges to have impulse buy. Like, for instance, I want an Omega Speedmaster watch. You can get them anywhere between 4,000 to 5,000, but I want the Omega first watch on them in space watch, so it's like 6,000, right? I want the watch pretty bad, like really bad. I can easily afford said watch, but I won't make that purchase. Not because I can't, not because, anything. Just pretty much it boils down to I don't want to get there yet because I would like to have that as a milestone. Like, for instance, let's say, hey, when my net worth becomes $500,000, I get that watch. Now, that could be a year from now, 3 years from now, 5, we don't know, but that'll be when I get that. It's like a delayed gratification and a reward, because I shouldn't be buying watches every month. Like, come on, like even the 3 I got, I'm at work so much I really don't even wear them. It's pretty much for me to just to look at them. You know what I'm saying? It's just look at you. I'm gonna go to an event one day and wear you. But you know what I'm saying? But that's just something I want, and people have wants. It's okay to have wants, but you have to learn to put said wants off. And me personally, I found a better way to do it would be to tie that want to a milestone. Hey, I get this when I do that. And don't try to pick something easy like when I save $1,000. Nah. You can do better than that. Like, go buy yourself something you save 25, 50K. You know what I'm saying? Like, give yourself something that's gonna be a lengthy process for you to do. Something that you actually think you can't do, or something that you think you can do, but it's just like it'll be like so long for me to actually achieve that. Put that as an award when you get there, and watch how it literally help you get there faster. I did that with my Tesla. I said I would not get my Tesla until I got that rental property, tenant in there, rented out. But that is something I think a lot of people can use. A lot of people reward themselves. And just give themselves stuff just based off, going to work. It's not a feat, doing 40 hours is not a feat. Like, just think about it. Kids can literally come out of high school and go right to Amazon and do 40 hours. That's not a feat. Like, you going to work every day for 2 weeks straight is not a feat. You want a feat. Go to work all year and not miss a day. Now that's a feat. No sick days, no vacation, nothing. Now that's a feat. You do that, you deserve whatever you want to buy. Truly. But because in the process of you doing it, you're going to realize that I can do that. And if I did it 1 year, what would stop me from doing it another year? And again, let's just say you made $50K that first year and you got a chance to save a lot of it because you didn't buy anything. So let's say of that $50K salary, you ended up saving 20. But once you did it for another year, now you got $40,000. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's that delayed gratification. If you really push yourself to do it, that's when you start unlocking doors. But a lot of people reward themselves for literally doing the bare minimum, working, not getting mad today. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my period came, and I didn't spaz out on that one person. You know what I'm saying? What was about to happen, but I held it back. Reward myself. No, that's not a feat. That's you been a nice person. Do that anyway. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to go to work anyway. Like, the bills are there. They exist. So, like, give yourself a challenge. A real challenge. And if there's something, like, put something behind that wall that you really want and watch how that delayed gratification really just unlock new potential in you. And if you can master that in today's time, right now, with the recession coming next year and these low bottom prices on these stocks, man, like 2024, 2025, you can be looking different. But again, it's something that I personally think people should learn. Stop rewarding yourself for doing the bare minimum, people. Push yourself a little bit. I mean, you gotta do like me. I push myself a lot. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, it's not an option, bro. I think I can do everything. But hey, we live, we learn, and this is something I truly think that people should learn. So look it up. Delayed gratifications. Learn how to do it. Watch yourself grow as a person. And again, you live, you learn. Once you learn that skill, the life that you will live will be a life that you always dreamed of. So give it a shot, give it a try. If you've done it before or you never heard of it, tell me about it in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, man. I'm coming back with a vengeance. Like, I got the house, pretty much like looking like how I wanted to look. Just a little bit more things. I'm back with the video grind. I'm back. I wanna really like help somebody. Like, I want to take one person who just don't got it, or somebody who's like me, like back in the day, like they trying, they just ain't there yet. I want to help push them in the right direction. Like, I ain't no big channel, I ain't no Graham, Steph, and me, Kevin type person, but I can help a handful of people. I know I can. So if you that person, you think, hey, you looking for new friends, know somebody who talk finances and stuff like that, you want somebody to help you, a little mentor type thing, yo, hit me up, bro. I want to help people. I do. I want to show you, like, I ain't rich, like millionaire rich yet. Mark my words on that, yet. But soon, very soon. But subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Have a good day. Wonderful night. It's your boy Exy, and I'm out.